Hi, thanks for joining us and congratulations on purchasing the SwingCaddy. Now I'm going to show you how simple it is to put together. Okay, first thing to do is put on the jockey wheel at the back. Can only go one way. There's a locating hole on one side and a locating pin. Slides in. Next to the wheels, very important, on each hub of the wheel there's an R and an L for, obviously for right and left. Put them on, you'll hear it click home. Push down the grub screw, onto the axle, click. Okay. Then simply fold it up, one step, two step, screw it off. Battery goes in, it goes into the battery indicator like so, just click straight in. I like to put the cable in under the Velcro, keep everything nice and neat. Velcro goes on, like so. Seat goes straight into the slot. It's spring loaded so it goes down. Remote control sits on the side. You're ready to go.